Split personalities. Split personalities!
And now, let us...
Personality.
Real quick poll. What's your favorite puppet character?
Animal.
What?
Animal.
Animal from the Muppets. Anyone else have a favorite puppet character?
Big Birdie Monster.
Big Bird, Birdie Monster. Okay, so those are all pretty good. Let's go into the bedroom and we're going to see two other puppet characters. And maybe these will be your favorite. But oh, not oh.
Is that you, Reeve?
No.
Again, we're just going to have to sandwich in here. We're all cozy. We're all best friends at this point. Yeah, you can totally just sit there, yeah. Yay! There's more room. Next to Reem, who pronounces Baratanasium differently.
That's a good hustle. It's
got all the right letters.
It's a good trick.
Come on through.
I think it's possible. Well, yeah,
If you sit there, you might not be able to see anything. Yeah, just try to.
Huh?
Wherever you can.
Yeah.
I'm going to be one of the tall people in the back. I'm going to stand on those.
Come in, please. Come, don't be afraid
Yeah,
of
there's
Reem.
space up in here. You can sit.
It's room for one more
just
person.
Come in.
A little person.
Make space for everybody else.
There's room up here.
Everyone cozy?
Is that everyone? Yep, just about?
Yeah, let's go first.
Okay, cool.
Got a sexual problem, you're feeling uneasy. We tell you the facts, we're not trying to be sleazy. Tell us your agony. We may look cute and fluffy, but don't be deceived. This room's getting stuffy, we'll bring you relief.
Tell us your agony. My turn. If you're easily offended, we'll see more than blunt. But please don't be pissed off if you hear the word come.
Please tell us your agony.
Hello, everybody!
Hello! Welcome to Animal Agonies. I'm Chi-Chi, and this is my partner, Rudy.
Rudy by name, Rudy by nature. Rudy and Chi-Chi.
Partners in crime.
Sex crime.
Rudy!
Partners in passion.
Yes! Passion.
The dynamic duo of devilish deviance.
Rudy?
The dirtiest, most diabolically, deliciously...
Rudy! Don't oversell it.
Oh.
Welcome to Animal Agonies. We're here to answer all your pressing questions about the world of sex, to put your mind at ease, and to allow you to fire back into your...
Fucking!
Yes, basically.
So, what do we have in store today?
Well, I've just had a text on my banana phone from Joe Fritzl.
Oh, what a beautiful... Where's he from?
Forfa. Joe's worried. He's ready to have sex with his girlfriend Shalona for the first time.
Aren't we all, Joe? Aren't we all?
But he's worried that he has a small penis.
Oh.
It's only 4 inches in length.
Oh my god.
He's worried that when she sees it, she'll dump him. Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's quite the conundrum there, isn't it? So, what do we think Shalona, or even Joe here, should do? Should he keep his member hidden away like Quasimodo in the bell tower, so it doesn't offend people like his sweet Shalona?
Well, let me tell you something about women. If she is a virgin, the last thing she wants is his huge, veiny, throbbing member jabbing away at her tender flower. I remember my first time.
Ah, no.
His name was John Bongo.
They drink him in the Congo.
He was a silverback, 7 feet tall, and so muscle-bound he could barely move. He was hung like
Like an ape?
No! The ape family are quite small, actually. But he was gifted. I mean, really gifted.
So you keep saying.
I mean, you actually would have had to have been there to believe it.
You show me the photographs,
No, but you
remember?
actually would have had to have seen it.
Why do you still have those photos anyway?
Big dick. But you know what?
What?
I hated it. 6.5 hours. Tender little virgin Chi-Chi and John Bongo's big dongo. I nearly fainted with the pain. Shalona is much better off with a little Willie.
But Shalona's from Forfa. She's probably seen more shaft than an elevator repairman, more cock than a gay poultry farmer. More...
Don't you have any better advice to give Joe?
Nope.
Are you sure? But we are talking about small sizes.
Hey! Stop giving me that smirk, lady. If you knew half of what goes on in this bed, if you could see the stains on this sheet, you would know that Rudy is more man than mouse.
Nah, he's not lying.
Now, Bob.
His name's Joe.
I'm gonna call him Bob. Bob, when it comes to situations like this, you just gotta be creative. Use what God gave you. You see, the average penis size, male penis size, is somewhere between 5 to 6 inches, depending on how many liars took the survey. I am much bigger than that.
Yes, darling, but that's not your penis, is it? That's just you.
Precisely, my gorgeous Gouda. But allow me to demonstrate with a demonstration.
My favourite!
I am now directly inside Chi-Chi's Chi-Chi, about an inch away from her cervix,
I feel like Richard Gere.
and I have direct access to all her most sensitive spots. In fact, if I poke my nose over here, I'll put my claw over there, I'll rotate myself round and round and round and round and round and round and round.
I feel like Captain Birdseye. You see, Bob, that's why the brain is, and always has been, the world's largest sexual organ. Isn't that right, Chi-Chi? Well, looks like we're not getting much sense out of her, so seems like a good place to wrap up. But remember, Bob, even the tiniest, most insignificant little penis can deliver a lethal dose of pregnancy. So, keep it under wraps. Or take a leaf out of my book and use your head.
You'll follow Paul out to the kitchen area.
Oh, goodbye! Come again, everyone! Oh, yeah! Oh, that's it! Oh, yeah, you know how Mama likes it! Oh, yeah! Oh, that's amazing! Oh, yeah! Oh, you're much better than John Bongo! Oh, yeah! Oh, that's it!